Hi, this is Pam and I Heard Saving Money. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would chat with you for a little while about activities for your kids for the summer. How many times have you heard from your school-age child, "I'm bored, I'm bored, I'm bored"? What's there to do? Or have been repeatedly having to remind them to power down, get off the computer, go to this magical place called outside. Get out to your bike or go swimming and things like that. It's also good for us to get out with our kids and do some of these activities too. But I understand that the weather doesn't always permit for these activities. It's either raining or storming sometimes during the day, or just too hot to be out, and you don't want to run the risk of getting heat stroke either. I did have a couple affordable ideas for entertainment for your kid for this summer. AMC has what they call summer camp for movies. These movies are movies that have been out for a while. They play the movie only one time a day. It usually starts in the morning. Let's see, tickets are $4. You get a popcorn, a soda, and the kid gets a candy with that. You, I believe, get that too. And it's a good affordable option if you're interested in going to a movie. Another thing is Kids Bowl for free. You look at their website, you pick a bowling alley in your area. The kid can bowl up to 2 games a day, and the cost is the cost of shoes. At our area, it's $2. So they can have their friends meet them there, bowl a couple of games for $2, and I would just avoid buying snacks there, because that'll get you too, right? You just drink water or whatever. You don't have to always eat there. And just thought I would share these easy ideas and affordable with you. Thank you. Hope everyone's having a great, safe summer. Comment below us too if you have any other affordable options for entertainment.